Alright, 2018 Honda Pilot cabin filter. It's going to be behind the glove box. First thing you're going to do is disconnect this damper cord right here. What you have to do is pull it down and around. Don't worry, you'll be able to get that later. You're going to need to use like a screwdriver or something like that to help you pull this cord back around here. But right here on the top you have these stoppers for the glove box. All you're going to do is just push the glove box inward. I'm going to pull down on the door a little bit. Same thing on this side. Okay, we go to pull the glove box down. Cabin filter is located here. You just push this tab in, this tab in on this side here, and this whole unit will come out with the filter. Alright, so when you order your new filter, you're just going to take the old one out of this holder here and just slide the new one in. It's pretty simple. This one isn't really that dirty, but if you need to get one, I'll leave a link down in the description box below where you can get one real quick. I'm going to order it right now, but I'll probably replace it the next oil change. When you do get your new one, slide it back in the holder. All you gotta do is just push that back in, it locks right in, and then you're gonna have to get a screwdriver or something to help you actually stick it through this damper cord here. This is really hard to do with one hand, so it's gonna be hard to kind of show you. But a little tip to get this back on is something to hold the cord for you. And you're gonna pull it down and then put the glove box back, and then you can slide it right back on there. Okay, it's really hard to do with one hand, so I'm at the end of the video here. Thank you so much for watching.